A VPN is a virtual private network. It is just a point-to-point connection between a private network's components using a public network, which is today, that's always going to be the internet. There are two types of VPNs you can set up. One is a site-to-site. Now, we're not as concerned with that one, but what a site-to-site VPN actually does is give me the ability to have a branch office, and in my branch office, I have a VPN server. From my VPN server, I can create a secure connection to my VPN server in my headquarters network. So what happens now, if I have a file server in my headquarters network, a user here can browse my file server and they just go through that encrypted connection directly over the internet up to the file share. So it really joins all these locations together, so they act as if they are just one large network. You could browse resources from the branch office and headquarters. Headquarters could access resources in the branch office, and all of that goes directly over the internet. We just have a connection that is encrypted between this VPN server and the other VPN server. So there's no way a hacker or anyone could capture this traffic on the internet and actually determine what it is or reveal it to be in clear text. The other type of VPN is a remote user. That is the one we are mainly concerned with. A remote user VPN will use a VPN client that's in your computer. So Windows 10, all Windows operating systems, you could go back to Windows XP or even Windows 2000, have a VPN client natively built into the computer. So there's nothing to install, you just configure the client. What the client actually does is when you connect, it launches a secure connection up to your VPN server. So now, wherever the user is in the world, they could take their laptop to their home, they could travel and go to a hotel, does not matter where they are in the world, as long as they have an internet connection, they can connect back to this VPN server, they will be authenticated, then they could access like shared folders, applications, all network resources they would have the ability to access as if they are in the corporate office. So from the user's point of view, they don't really see anything different when they connect the VPN client. It's not like Windows pop up or anything like that once they connect the VPN client. But what they can do is they can have network drives that are mapped, connect to applications, other resources, just like they are in the office. So the same way they access a file share or some internal application when they're physically in the office, when they go home, if they connect the VPN client, they can then access those resources exactly the same way. So pretty useful.